Alright, this is day one of me documenting my life. So for the past 1 week, I've been trying to learn Blender. It's a 3D software which is used for making models and mainly animations. And I'm trying to learn that so I can make my own stuff, my own films. All of my project files and all of the resources I've used for learning have been listed down in the description below. And one of the main videos I've been seeing, or the playlist I've been following, is from Crossman Studios, and it has been just phenomenal. The quality is just off the chart. Um, and I want to really continue with that, and I want to continue in that channel, and I'll be posting my progress over here on my channel. So let's go.